guys, welcome to BTW, this week's Buyer's Tip Wednesday. Now we're at step 1 of becoming a homeowner, and that is designating your realtor. As a buyer, you can actually choose to interview as many buyer agents as you want, but in the end, you will only pick one realtor to represent you, to write offers for you, and to earn that commission right for you. And actually, you don't have to pay the buyer agents. It's the seller who pays for both parties. The selling agent and the buyer agent. I just represent you as your buyer agent for your best interest to find the perfect home for you. When you look for a buyer agent, 3 things you should look for. Number 1 is that they have a lot of experience. Number 2 is that they know the area you're looking for very well. Number 3 is that they care about you. And that could be me, Jersey Lee. Well, you can find my contact info in the first comment below. Click that.